And Malcolm, it's Friday and we always get the metals market update, gold, silver, platinum. What's the rundown?
Hey, everything's holding strong right now, actually. It's still a fantastic time to sell. Gold's still well over $1,700 an ounce. Silver's sitting at 33 and change. You know, for the foreseeable future, the prices should remain fairly solid, which means it's a great time to sell precious metal.
And Malcolm, you're the expert when it comes to the auction. So if someone consigns something to you that of course would contain a metal like this, and then metals fluctuate in the weeks until the auction, how exactly are those things related?
We're very careful about the things that we actually take in for auction versus just transact as a bullion deal. Things that go to auction, and these are good examples here of what would actually go to auction, are going to be items that have an intrinsic value or a collectible value or some sort of value far beyond just the intrinsic value of the metal. This is a good example, is this ring here. This ring is an 18-karat gold ring. It melts for probably about $87, $90, somewhere in that range. At auction, because it has the nice emerald and the diamonds and the side stones and it's custom-made piece, it'll bring $300 or $400. So slight movements in the market, as it pertains to the actual metals market, have very little effect on the value of what we're selling in the auction, because much of the value of the items in the auction are derived more from the fact that they're custom created works of art,
right,
and generally have larger, nicer diamonds and things of that nature to them, which gives them a far greater value than their intrinsic value of the metal.
Of course, and then the people that show up to the auction can actually drive the value up even further, right?
Every auction, that's what we look for. There's no price ceilings with an auction. So when you consign something to auction and there's competitive bidding, the highest bid's going to win out, and that's generally the person willing to pay the most, and that's who you're looking for as a seller.
Now you guys have an auction coming up. Tell me when it is and where it is.
The auction is February 25th, 10 a.m. It's Saturday, right here in Tallahassee Mall.
Great. Thanks so much.
You're welcome.